Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit a couple more photos from the previous shoots. Let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is just get everything into the Canon color profile. So it has a Canon camera matching section in the Lightroom. I'm just set all of them to be standard. And in the camera, I'm making it standard also. So the first thing I'm gonna do is patch out some of the stuff in the ground. Okay. And then look around to see what other things we need to do. The first thing is this one is tilted. It's not a very nice align. So, and then I'm gonna do 4x5 for this one. So 4x5 crop like this. You can see it here to adjust the alignment. Also, you can see in the thumbnail, just based on what you see, and adjust the alignment in here. Okay, so let me adjust slightly a little bit more. And then crop a little bit tighter, so that's good. And because it's backlight, as you've seen many of my other videos, backlight, I'm gonna do it with like a lot of other like backlight photos. I'm just gonna do a smooth instead of portraiture 3. So if it's backlight, I'm just gonna smooth the skin very quickly. Okay, so that's good. And then increase the contrast, reduce the highlights, reduce the yellow. You can see the yellow difference in here, slightly more toward the red side. Okay, so that's good. And that's it. I can see the column, just make sure to slightly adjust the column. Okay, so that's good. Export it out. The next one I'm gonna copy and then paste it. This one, paste the same one. The first thing I'm gonna do is adjust the alignment of the photo. Make sure everything is aligned vertically. There might be a little bit of distortion, that's fine. For this one, I might crop all the way to the column. Just make sure that it is aligned like that. Okay. There are a lot more space in here. I'm gonna crop it up and give more space to the headroom. Okay, so that's good. And there's some minor stuff. You can crop this later, but I can just patch it out for now. If not, people can always like crop it down like that. And then sometimes you need a little bit more headroom. Okay, so and then do some face soften the skin a little bit in here. Okay, so that's good. And I'm gonna export this one. Okay, the next one, this is not the backlight, but first thing I'm gonna patch the wall. Just make sure it is consistent. Sometimes you need a couple times just to merge it together. So okay, so that's the first thing I'm gonna do. The next thing I'm gonna do is do a cropping. and later I can add some film tone in this one also. So let me do this crop. And for this one, let me smooth it out a little bit. Okay, so that's good. And then let me do a portraiture 3 on here. Okay, so export it out. As you can see that the previous 2 photos are also are at 35mm f1.8. The next one, this one is 85mm f1.2L. So that's the different lens. And let me adjust that. Adjust the yellow in here. So 4:5 crop. Okay, so let me do a portraiture 3 here. Okay, export it out. Then the next one, this one, this person is very bright, kind of like distracting right there. What I'm gonna do is, let me see if I can crop it out, that person, so it is tighter in the composition standpoint. I'm gonna smooth out the skin a little bit. Okay, so, and there's a dot right here. Merge those dots. So a little bit distracting, those minor stuff. I think this one is fine. Increase the exposure, reduce the highlights. Okay, so that's good, and overall framing is good. I can do a portraiture 3 because it's not backlight, so it's pretty quick here. Okay, so that's good, and then export it out. Next one, so I'm gonna patch the ground here. This one is from the EF 35mm f1.4. the skin a little bit in here. Okay, so I'm going to do one more thing. The shadow, add a little bit more shadow to the front lights here. Okay, so that's good. And then do a portraiture 3 in here. Export it out, and because it's similar theme, I'm gonna do a paste it here, slightly reduce. I'm gonna just clean up the ground a little bit. Just the main point for the ground. Okay, and then crop it out. Okay, so next do portraiture 3. Okay, and then the last step is to export it out. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.